Hi there and welcome to Investorgem. My name's Mark, and over the next few minutes I'm going to present you with some of the facts as to why rare diamonds are such a good investment and what type of diamonds you should invest into and why you should invest right now. And by the end of this presentation you're going to have all the facts, figures and contact information to make the right decision. The last few years have been the most volatile in investment history, and there's much worse to come. That's exactly why investors are turning to hard assets more than ever before. Rare diamonds have always been a store of wealth, and in the last 10 years have shown returns of up to 440%. The record prices that were set at auctions last year were for top-end diamonds, which most investors can only dream about. That's where Investorgem come in. We can help you get the same growth with our strategy. So what type of diamonds should you really buy? Our strategy lowers the entry level to enable the purchase of a real investment grade diamond, either a natural fancy coloured diamond or a world-class colourless diamond. Let me show you some of the figures about the prices of coloured diamonds. The figures speak for themselves, but what are the underlying reasons for this spectacular growth? The simple fact is that demand is greater than supply, and it will stay that way for a very long time to come. In fact, on the supply side, mines are becoming depleted, leading to the closure of a number of mines within the next 10 years. And on the demand side, the emerging economies such as China are growing by at least 20% a year. For example, finds of Argyle pink diamonds are not only fewer, but also smaller in size and of lower quality. Their rarity merely pushes the prices up much higher. Unlike stocks and shares, which largely determine your pension values, and unlike savings accounts such as ISAs, PEPs and bonds, which have all lost money, especially when you take into account the rate of inflation in the last 10 years, the price of investment diamonds has gone up and will continue to go up. So how does our strategy enable you to get a much better return on your investment? We simply put similar investors together to make a group acquisition. No more than 10 investors per stone. We select the very best available. We store it safely and securely in the Swiss free trade zone, and then we advise when it's the best time to sell. It's simple, it's safe, and more importantly, it's tax-free with very high returns. Now that you've learned why rare diamond investing makes good sound business sense and what type of diamonds make the best investments, you should now be ready to take the next step and contact us. Let's take an example. Let's say the wholesale price of a 1 carat pink diamond with good color and clarity is $1 million US. Each of our 10 clients put $100,000 US in, and each own an equal 10% share of that stone. Now when it's time to sell, you can expect returns of at least 40% or more per annum. Of course, if you prefer, we can also help you purchase that 1 in a million piece of your very own. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation, and I look forward to welcoming you as a new client personally.